Stop paying for CapCut Pro here is how to auto-crop your videos to mobile ratio for free in seconds. If you use CapCut, you have probably seen this screen after exporting a long-form video. See that diamond icon that marks the auto-cropped mobile video? And CapCut will not let you export it without a Pro subscription. In this video, I will show you exactly how to export that smart cropped video for free. Alright, let us get started. Open your CapCut app. I am using a free account here, so you can follow along even without Pro. First, check which version you are using. I am on the latest version, so make sure you are updated too. Next, go to Settings and check where CapCut is saving your resources and exported videos on your computer. We will need that location later. Now let us quickly create a new project and add a few Pro elements to test how this actually works. I will drag in my AI-generated video into the media panel to use as our test clip. I have added the test video to the timeline. And now let us add a few Pro elements to it. As you can see, there are plenty of Pro features available to use with your video. Do not worry, feel free to use whatever you like. And if you need help exporting videos with Pro elements, check out my previous videos for that. I have added an adjustment clip and changed a few colors on my video. This is also a Pro feature, but I'm using it here to show you exactly how it works. I will also use some Pro title options to edit this sample video for demonstration purposes. And I am going to add a CapCut Pro audio track too. But if you are planning to use this for commercial purposes, I would recommend avoiding Pro audio since it could run into copyright issues. Now everything's set, and it is time to export this video. In the top right corner, you will see the export button. Go ahead and click it. But here is the catch. CapCut flags that we have used Pro elements and will not let us export. For this, there is a simple trick, and I have already covered it step by step in my export guide video, so I will not take up time explaining it again here. Just click the card on this video to watch that guide. Now I have re-imported the video. I just exported using that magic trick. Let us try exporting it again. And look, this time it works. I can now export this video with all the Pro elements included, completely free. I will rename this video with the proper name, so it is easy to identify later on after exporting. I am also exporting in 2K resolution this time. Now we can export the video with all our preferred settings, Pro elements included, completely free. The desktop version has finished exporting. Now let us wait for the mobile version to export as well. Both exports were successful. Now we need to find a way to export that smart cropped mobile version specifically. As you can see, it only gives us the option to share directly to social media platforms, but we need to edit a few things here. Since this is a long form video, follow along and I will explain it step by step. So at this point, we do not actually need CapCut anymore. Feel free to close it if you would like. Now we are going to use the CapCut installation location I mentioned at the beginning of this video. Navigate to your C drive and find the users folder. Inside users, open your user folder. Then go into the app data folder. If you cannot see app data, just enable hidden folders from the view menu. Inside app data, open local, then CapCut, then user data, then cache, and finally open the folder called Smart Crop. And there it is. Inside the Smart Crop folder, you will find your video. You can use it, cut out special moments, and publish them as short videos completely free. Pro tip: when creating your long-form videos, try to keep key elements centered as much as possible. That way, you will get a much better short version with this feature. If you found this video helpful, drop a thumbs up and leave a comment to support the channel. Do not forget to subscribe so you do not miss upcoming videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.